Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. That means that with any vehicle purchase you make, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your very own chance to win $10,000. And now back to the star of the show, we have this gorgeous 2019 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab 4x4 to show you. Under the hood, you're going to find the powerful 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine that is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it is shown in the gorgeous diamond black crystal pearl color. And that pairs beautifully with the 20-inch black aluminum wheels that are housing a great set of Bridgestone tires. This has been fully safetied and inspected. It's only had one previous owner and has a clean CARFAX. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock, lock, remote start, and panic button. We'll give you a quick close-up shot of these wheels and tires, fog lights in the front, and LED headlights. Again, black side steps helping you in, signal light indicators on the mirrors, which is a great safety feature, and a proximity key system helping you in. So once inside, a beautiful interior power mirrors, windows, and locks, and your power mirrors are also power folding. Your driver's seat is fully adjustable with lumbar support. You get a gorgeous leather throughout, and they are heated and cooled. Your steering wheel is also heated and leather-wrapped. Cruise control on your right, along with shifting options to your left, Bluetooth and hands-free, dash selection buttons, fully automatic headlights, power pedals, a tilt and telescopic option on the steering wheel, 45,506 kilometers on this currently, and then you do have a large menu of information you can scroll through. Take a second to explore that a bit further with your sales advisor. Over to the right, you have your push button start, dial shifting knob with your 4x4 options, a nice clean dash, added stitching for detailing, 12-volt outlet up above, and into your UCONNECT system. So you have your plastic on here still, so you'd be able to pull that off. It'd be in brand new condition. AM, FM, and satellite capability, USB auxiliary, Bluetooth, and disc player, dual zone climate control. Lots of information here in your app screen. Take a second to explore that a bit further with your sales advisor. Again, heated and cooled seats. You also have your backup camera. It does turn on automatically in reverse, but it is nice to have that option there to view it whenever you'd like. Navigation and a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone. Down below that, you have the manual buttons for your climate and media. You have your traction control, tow haul parking sensors, and all of your media ports down below that, along with your disc player, an AC outlet along the bottom, and lots of space in the center console here. It's a beautiful modern design, top shallow space, a deeper space down below. And we'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Everything's in excellent condition. Great all-weather mats in here, locking glove compartment, additional space above that. You get that sport badging, illuminated vanity mirrors, garage door transmitters, sunglass storage, your rear sliding window, and interior cabin lighting. As we head into the back, the door opens nice and wide, lots of storage in the door. Again, side steps helping you in back here as well. Storage behind the seats, your media ports and an AC outlet, 2 cup holders, and then 2 in the armrest, so 4 in total back here. The bottoms of the seats lift up easily. You do have storage bins beneath, and yeah, lots of room, very comfortable. You do have, again, your rear sliding window. The back bed is lined for added durability. You do get the added utility group back here, giving you those rails, and it's also illuminated. So as you can see, that was a super quick tour. Again, if you have any questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.